Dah ke? Oh dah. Assalamualaikum dan very good evening. We are from Group 2 and today we would like to demonstrate our application. So I will pass to Brandon.
The app that we have created is an application of geotagging for recreational facilities in
Recreational facilities in UTM. Alright.
Yeah.
Why?
We want to help users of these facilities to identify information such as the operation time and the function of the facility.
And also for students to know what type of facilities have in UTM. You want to add anything?
This app can be utilized by geotagger and visitor, which consists of UTM staff, UTM student, and public user.
Okay. Just for searching or inquiry only, or the user can add more facilities.
No. Visitor cannot have the ability, but geotagger can.
Oh, geotagger can add new features. Okay, good. How do you develop the apps?
Using Kodular.
Oh, still using Kodular. Okay. Why Kodular?
Because it is easier and use
Easier
no code.
and it's a no-code platform.
Right.
So this is the user interface of our app. Here we have 3 options: geotagger, visitor, and about. The about here explain this description of the application. And if we go to the geotagger here, you need to have an account registered into the database for you to be able to tag recreational facilities. So we have already created one account for this testing. After you have successfully logged in, you have gained access to the screen. Here we can take the picture of the recreational facilities. There's an error.
Got error?
Next, we need to scan the QR code.
Alright. So, what is the purpose of this QR code?
To give a unique identifier for each recreational facilities.
Okay. So, suppose where the QR code located?
Kita at the belum. Maybe at one point where it have all information, or maybe like a board full of recreational activities that they have different QR code for each of the recreational facilities. Or maybe at the recreational facilities itself. So there's various places of the QR code. So okay tak?
Okay. So, once scan.
The QR code will be generated.
So, the QR code contains what?
The unique identifier for each.
Just the ID lah.
Yeah.
Alright.
And here we will fill in the name of the recreational facilities, for example, Padang. And about we will fill the information of what the recreational facilities give to people. So, for example, here maybe as sport, football. And here we can specify the operation hour for the facilities.
Okay.
So
Little bit complain because quite difficult to see.
Oh yeah, brightness.
due to the issue of brightness. Yeah. So when you design, make sure it's a little bit contrast between text and the background.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So designing in the office environment and the outside totally different.
Alright. Oh, jap.
And
Okay.
here we have the location sensor.
Alright. This is a Geotega, is it?
Yes.
Geotega. That's mean what they can do to update or what to put a new data.
New data.
Alright.
And submit. And it will say successfully submit.
Okay. So where do you post the data? Where do you keep the data?
In database.
Yeah.
SQL database. Web host.
Locally or server?
Web hosting server.
Web. Okay. Which one? Hosting. Web hosting.
I forgot the name
PHP?
service provider. I think it 00 web hosting.
Okay.
Free.
It's a trial one.
Yeah, try it free. It gives 300 MB
For how many days?
I don't think there's limit. As long as you don't exceed
The size. Okay.
And here we have the visitor section that can scan the QR code specified for facilities and get the information that we already put in the database. And this is the information that we fill in.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, that's all. Okay, so you need to play around with the design, yeah, the interface design. Yeah, that's good. The idea is there. It's quite good. Yeah, it seems like everything working. A little bit error is okay. Yeah, because you have a very limited time to explore, to learn, and to explore. Okay, but you can improve it later on. Just maybe as a hobby or maybe as a foundation for your PSM. Maybe, I'm not sure. Okay. Alright, that's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr.
Okay.